Most people buy Notion templates and never use them. Templates are built for everyone, which basically means they're built for no one. But Notion AI changes that. I have built prompts directly into the Notion AI starter kit that make it adapt to your problems and your goals without actually hiring anyone to customize it. Let me show how it works. And if you want to follow along, you can just go to the link below in the description and get yourself the Notion AI starter kit and follow along. So this is the Para OS Notion system. I hope you're following with me here. And what I want you to do is I want you to make this system for yourself, customized to your exact needs. And the way you do that is start with opening this page, prompt to get started with, and check this prompt out. What this prompt would do is it would use the power of Notion AI to understand the current Para OS system and show you the exact ways you need to use this Notion system for your needs. You have to fill this area with your requirements, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done. I'm gonna use my own prompt that I've written here, and the changes that I made is just this. I'm a solo Notion consulting template business. I'm responsible for client delivery, YouTube content production, email marketing campaigns, template creations. I also do a little bit of programming, and these are my goals for my Notion system, right? So what this will do is once I click on enter, it will give me the exact way I want to work on my Notion system. So this is how this will look, and I believe we can open it and show you exactly how this looks, right? What it will do is it will go database by database, explaining you through how areas will look for me, how projects will look for me, how tasks will look for me, how resources will look for me, and how notes and topics will look for me. And it would also give me some guidelines that I could follow as we move on. Now, this ends our first part on setting up our Notion system to our needs. Now, the next step that I want to show you is how you can use the power of Notion AI to quickly add new things. Let me show you. So, for example, I'm trying to create a new YouTube video with all the properties automatically filled. Here is the section where I'm going to be adding new projects, right? But instead of clicking on a new page, finding the project section, which in the beginning it's going to be a bit harder for you, all you have to do is just tell the Notion AI to create a YouTube project for recording the Notion AI starter kit, and let's just say fill in the relevant properties. And once you click on enter, it will create you the exact project with the requirements already filled. And yes, it might not have all the right properties automatically created since you have not mentioned timeline and everything, but will soon create it for you, and then you could do it as the requirements. So since we can see the YouTube video is already created, it's from Jan 17th to 31st, and all you have to do is just click on it and create and see the project getting created. And there you go, the project will automatically created. It would show up in your Para OS and you'll be able to get started with it. Now what I actually wanted to show you is the last thing, how you can use the Notion AI to get a report out of it instead of having to check each and everything if it's in order or if you're using the system right. All you have to do is every week or even every day, instead of trying to understand each and everything that's going inside of this Notion system, you can just ask it. All you have to do is just ask, give me the update on everything that I'm working on today. And once you click on it, you'll get a very good idea on everything that's happening within this week for you, and you can just go through it and know what's happening in Notion system. And this sums up what is happening inside of Notion and what you can make with Notion AI in your Notion system. I hope this Para OS actually helps you get your job done a lot quicker without making it feel like a external thing that's within a system, and you are able to internalize it and actually make the best out of it.